Hey, so we just had selection day for Honey's litter, and these are our 3 boys available. It's cold out here today, but it's so much better to see their lighting, so I thought I'd hurry and bring them out real quick. This is Mr. Green. He's gonna be about 8 to 12 pounds full grown. He is just the cutest little teddy bear. This one is Mr. Black. He's gonna be about 15 to 18 pounds full grown. This is Mr. Gray, and he's also going to be about 15 to 18 pounds full grown. As you can see, they're a little different in color. Oh, it's not that cold, but they are so cute. They are going to be crate trained, started on potty training 100% on the doggy door in our facility. They are so loved and looking for their forever families. If you're interested, reach out and let us know.